9 out of 10 tile jobs fail these 5 tests. Most tile jobs don't fail because of the tile. They fail before the first tile is even set. After 35 years in this industry, here are the 5 checkpoints that separate professional installs from future problems. Shower waterproofing. If there's no pre-slope and no flood test, the shower is already a risk. Water always wins. Substrate flatness. Large format tile needs a flat surface, no more than 1/8. Variation over 10 feet. If the floor isn't flat, you get lippage and cracked grout. Proper deflection. Floors must meet L. 360 minimum. Too much movement and tile will crack, even if it looks perfect on day 1. Thin set coverage. You need 95% coverage in wet areas. Blob setting guarantees hollow spots and future failure. Movement joints. Tile expands in contracts. Without expansion joints, pressure builds and something gives. If your installer can't explain these 5 things clearly, that's a red flag. Most homeowners don't know what to look for. That's why bad installs keep happening. If you want a full remodel risk checklist, link is below.